Alright, I just want to start off by apologizing. I haven't posted. Life's been crazy personally and workily. But the 6% lockout is in stock and the 46% lockout are now in stock, boys. So get them while you can. I just want to kind of show you I'm installing these parts installed. We will remove this spacer. I'm using the machine gear set, it doesn't matter, but we need to remove this spacer for the 46%. We'll install our bearings. This piece actually just kind of snaps onto that screw part. Then we will take our shaft, screw side down, put our shim on, put our cog gear on, slide that down. I believe this thing is 25 teeth. Got dog hair everywhere, apologize. Then you would again put your shims on. We're not going to do that just for time's sake. Then you put your bearing retainer on. This part's always kind of tricky. This is the part that you would have inside the case already with this piece mounted, and you'd kind of wiggle these parts in there, but this is what it looks like exposed. So there we would go. We would have 4-wheel drive with these locked this way, and then this way we would have the front shaft stop spinning, or you could run this gear backwards into this piece. That would give us our rear lockout. So this would give us a permanent 46% to the front shaft with the lockout, and then this piece obviously is your rear output with the lockout with the stock VFD twin. So now we're gonna pull this apart. Just kind of show you guys how quick and easy this is to assemble. It's been a while, so I've had to do this a couple times now because I just want to be thorough with these installs. So now we will take our 30 tooth front drive gear, put our bearings in it, take our shaft, slide it in, put our cog on. Again, you really want to be using these shims against the bearing faces. Then now we're pretty much done. We would just take this piece, which again would be in here, locked behind this piece. But we would take it and slide this bad boy on. And bada bing, now we have a permanent 6% to the front shaft with a lockout and the original lockout for the rear shaft. So this is better for you guys that want to actually flip the trans 180 degrees backwards in a buggy, for just to do easier rear engine mounted buggies. And then also I create this motor mount, so you can mount the motor directly to the trans instead of having a top shaft and all this bulky stuff, because this is harder to hide with a scale engine than it is to just have the motor with the scale engine on top of it. This also kind of puts it in a nice place for rear engine buggies, kind of up just a little bit and in a nice placement for when you put them on the skid. That's kind of where the engines are usually. But there's that. Both of these parts are in stock, so get them while you can. I just want to thank you guys for watching and all the support. I got the servo covers are online if you guys want to download those as well. I got a few other things. I do need to make adjustments to the cage files for those who have bought it, so I do apologize. The one problem is once you kind of tack every bar in place, you kind of destroy the jig to get it out, which is kind of unfortunate unless you build some of the bars without the jig, which is what I have been doing personally. But I do realize that people would like to pay for a quality product, and I do apologize, and that's just an oversight by me. But everybody that has purchased files, I will release them or give them all free download link, send them all emails, making sure everybody has the new updated files. But one quick other thing, I have kind of started a new little project. This is the moonshine buggy that I drove in Cedar City at the We Rock competition. This is like a 1-to-1 of Cody Wagner's moonshine buggy. I'll throw up a picture on the screen. Kind of cool, man. That thing is super sweet to drive. Thank you, Cody. I'm gonna hopefully mock yours 1-to-1 with all the chrome stuff, but this is kind of a comparison of the two chassis together. So this one's just a smidge smaller, but it'll be a rear engine. This will be my Pro Mod for a front engine. This will be my probably 1.9 Unlimited. But anyway, I just want to kind of show you guys. Again, thank you for the support. The rest of this video is just going to be me. I actually got out last weekend for the first time in a long time. A buddy invited me to go wheeling at Holy Cross City. So here's a few clips from that video. Thank you, guys.
That's a good line. That looks good.
He didn't even touch the water, buddy.
It's basically still forwards.
We came here with a buddy, and he has like a piece. What do you call those, like Cherokees?
Yeah.
And he went up this backwards.
That's insane.
And he's rolled it.
That was. I mean, I didn't try that line though. That was a good line.
Yeah, that's why I wonder why
I
we
could have
didn't
maybe
put on
do
that.
that. I could have maybe done that. That was a good line. I went way over there. Yeah, that was real easy. I didn't even turn my lockers on.
Oh my
Shut
god.
up. I don't want to hear that. Okay, they were on.
Wow, he missed it.
No joke. I thought I spent 10 minutes on this line, and I finally like about 10 minutes on that one. That first line, I think I could have walked
I wonder what the wheelbase is on.
You know, your ass end was like 2 feet to the driver's side. When you went straight up it.
Oh no. He was just down here. I was trying to get him on that ledge to get him off.
Yeah, totally.
If he gets a little farther left, he'll be able to scrape through.
Yeah.
Clear. He was very good. Go straight.